Hello everyone, welcome to Decor My Little Globe. Creating a cozy fall farmhouse decor requires a blend of rustic charm and autumn warmth. I can certainly give you a variety of fall decor ideas for a farmhouse style setting. Pumpkin display. Arrange pumpkins of different sizes and colors on your porch or entryway. Hang wooden signs with fall-themed messages or quotes. Autumn wreath. Hang fall wreaths on your front door and throughout your home. Create cozy centerpieces with candles in mason jars, surrounded by acorns or pine cones. Plaid throws. Drape plaid or checkered throws over sofas and chairs for a warm touch. Use mason jars as vases for fall flowers like sunflower or mums. Place cotton stem arrangements in rustic containers. Fill baskets with curds, apples or decorative cones. Decorate with pebbles for an authentic farmhouse feel. String pine cones together to create garlands for your fireplace or mantel. Use wooden crates for storage and as decorative elements. Display lanterns with LED candles for cozy lighting. Autumn artwork. Hang fall-themed artwork or prints such as landscapes with colorful foliage. Use flannel napkins or tablecloths for a cozy dining setup. Add fox fur throws to your seating areas for extra warmth. Antique finds. Incorporate vintage or antique furniture and decor pieces. Rustic shelves. Install rustic wooden shelves to display fall decor items. Cinnamon stick candles. Tie cinnamon stick together with twines for fragrant decoration. Burlap table runners. Use burlap table runners to add textures to your dining table. Welcome guests with doormats featuring fall motifs. Chalkboard with fall messages or menus. Place a wooden bench with fall cushions in your entryway. Use blanket ladders to showcase cozy blankets and quilts. Hang a large farmhouse-style clock as a focal point. Display seasonal produce in rustic wooden bowls. Add open shelves with fall-themed dishes and mugs. Wagon wheel decor. Incorporate wagon wheels as wall or outdoor decor. Remember to personalize these ideas to suit your farmhouse decor style and preferences. Mixing and matching elements will help you create a cozy and inviting fall atmosphere in your home. I hope you like this video. This video contains a lot of design style that will help you while you are decorating your home in fall. So thanks for watching.